In this video, I will show you how to delete all history from Google My Activity. This is a great way to protect your privacy, remove your Google Activity history, and keep your account organized by clearing your searches, YouTube activity, and other saved Google data. Before we do continue, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Google tutorials, privacy tips, and tech guides. To get started, what you want to do is open up a new internet browser, and once you've done that, you want to make sure you're logged into your Google account. So you can see mine's up here in the top right hand corner. Once you've done that, come across to google.com and click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner. Now what that's going to do is open a window like this, and from here you want to click where it says manage your Google account. What that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. From here, what you want to do is come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto data and privacy. And on the data and privacy section, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to see an option to view my activity. And what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. Now, if you scroll down slightly on this screen, you're going to see here the option to filter by date and product. And to the right of this, you're going to find the delete button. Give that a click. What that's going to do is open up a window like this, where you can choose the time range that you want to delete your Google activity for. So of course, because we're looking to delete for all time, you can see there's an option here for all time. Give that a click. And what that's going to do is open up another window like this, where you can see all the products selected, which is going to delete your Google activity for. Now from here, if there's anything you don't want to delete, for example like your Gmail, you can simply untick the box. But you can just scroll through and see the different Google products which you can delete your Google activity for. Now once you've done that, you want to come and click onto next at the bottom. Then it's going to come up with a confirmation, as you can see, asking if you would like to delete the following activity. Just simply come down, click onto delete, and that's going to delete all your history from your Google activity. So that is how to delete all history from my Google activity. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Google and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.